Hello, and thanks for joining me today for this Flavorah unboxing and slight review. Like I said, I'm going to tell you what up. But, however, this is going to be a two-part video, 1 and 2. There's 12, 15 flavors, something like that. So I'm going to try to split it down that way. It's about 8 to 10 minutes each video. It just seems to work, Normally I like to run and let the camera roll and not edit whatever, but not everybody likes that. So I'm going to try to be more appealing to others, but mainly I just want to tell people about Flavorah, about how awesome they are, and big props to Bryson and bringing that Flavorah. I've had this for a bit and just not been able to get some stuff done, and I went ahead and I took the I took them all out of the box, took them out of the packs, and I got them. I'll hold each and every one of them up. What I have used thus far and tried, I'll give my honest opinion on it. What I haven't used, I'll clearly state that I haven't used it, but thus far, all that I have tried, they've all been good, and that's just the thing with Flavorah. People want to complain about the price sometimes. It's the quality. It's worth it. Trust me, it's worth it. Don't go the other route. Go the right route. Not saying don't go get other flavors that are, highly praised, needed, whatever. But, when it comes time to buy, give Flavorah a try. So, what we got today is an absolute array and hookup. Right quick, we're gonna go through here. I'm gonna bust these out, and I just want to say thanks again for everything. This is like the 3rd or 4th shipment they've sent, and I greatly appreciate it. I greatly appreciate it, and with them and in conjunction with the other items I got, I hope this mixing show that I've been talking about can get started and kicked off within the week. That's hashtag 2 weeks. So what we got up first, we got that jammy berry. Now I haven't used it in a big amount, so I can't really say nothing on it. It was just a couple of tests, like about 1 or 2 at around 1%, something like that. So that the verdict's still out on that. And here is a couple of ones that that's the granola. This is excellent. If you're a person and you like the granola bars and stuff like that, pick this up. And I'll go ahead and give you a little bit of a tip. There's a company, and they've got this granola bar out, and they got a liquid line, and they do about 3, 4, 5 varieties of it. That's in there. And I'll tell you another thing, I don't have it with me at the time, but graham crackers in there as well, and it's Flavorah graham cracker. I could just about bet on that. So you are doing that and you're thinking, what, I like this, I want to try it. You need those components is something that you need. That speaks for itself right there. I mean, got me tongue tied in, the cream, that's just, it's great. I mean, that's the best cream, period. I used to use all kinds of different ones. Once I tried that, I've stuck with it because it's just amazing. I mean, it takes a few days and stuff, and that maybe 5 to 7 days you get that little bit, but in that 10 day or so, boom, it's out of the park. So now this one I have tried a little bit. We got that blood orange, and this one has definitely got a lot of high marks and reviews, a little bit of testing, and what I have thus far, that is amazing. I mean, now here's one that I did tinker with the other day, and when I get it right, the recipes will be released on ELR. Maybe all the flavors, not sure, but here, this to me, that right there, I got a couple of things from it. When I first got a whiff of it and stuff, it was like a pack of those Swisher Sweets or something, or you know, like you're just smelling it, you know, like a fresh cigar kind of vibe. But it's got some really good notes to it, and it's going to pair well with quite a few things. I'll tell you right now, it pairs well with Soho from Flavor Art and a couple of other things. But as far as like Flavorah goes, there's a few that you can kind of throw at it, and they'll stick, and they'll work well. And like maybe Kentucky Blend, the Red Burley, a couple of those low percentages with the sweet and the smoky, and it's stellar. It's a stellar vape if you are that type of vapor. If you are, cigars, you tobaccos. You like the tobaccos. Right now, Flavorah is knocking it out of the park with their tobaccos. I used to be, Inawera, and RY4 Double was my jam, or whatever you want to call it, for a long time. And since I tried theirs, they changed the game. Alright, now this is another one that I got experience with, and it's a must. By far, all these recommendations, or all of these, are recommendations from some of the, just the absolute best mixers out there. I picked their brains and asked them, have you had any work with it? And a huge shout out to Mr. Addy Tooney, Tooney219, I think, on IG, Instagram, and Mr. Fresho3. They have been an outstanding source of info and knowledge and stuff as far as making choices to what to get, along with Ren vapes and Tam vapes. Some of their stuff has definitely influenced my decisions as far as that, and that's what I'm going to say. Check them out. Check out those people, see what they say, go with it. And if it's one of those things like you're not sure, like this right here, a lot of people are crazy on that. They go and they're just like, whoa, that's almost $20. Well, it is, and thus far, what little bit I've done with it, I love it. I absolutely love that Alpine Strawberry. I'm not one on strawberries. I'm not really crazy about it, because all of them that I've tried, unless you do a lot of layering and such, I'm just not crazy about it. It's just I like strawberries in real life, but when it comes down to doing the vape, I don't think it's my thing. On that note, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to jump off here, and if this is your first time here, be sure hit the like button, subscribe, notifications, set them up how you want. Get all, get some, get none. That's up to you. But if you don't care, subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate it. And each and every one of you that have been with me and stuck with me, you'll get your device as well. And you know what time it is. Those of you that are new, stick around. You'll catch on real quick. So that's going to do it for the Flavorah. This is what, episode 4, maybe 5, something like that in this segment. And I will throw all of them in there together. So let's have a toot and scoop. Once again, I thank each and every one of you. Greatly appreciate it. I'm JTH Reviews, or Just That Honest Reviews, and I'm out of here. Vape on, folks.